What we're gonna do here today is we're gonna do meat pot pie, man. First thing first, grab yourself about a pound of hamburger. Okay, boom, while we got that going on, grab yourself about 4 or 5 potatoes. Peel your potatoes. Boom, grab yourself an onion too. Boom. And then dice your onion up nice and fine. Okay, boom. Get your hamburger there. And what you're going to do first thing here is put it in your saucepan. And we're just going to brown it up a little bit and drain off that some of the grease, because I'm not a big huge fan of grease, so just kind of brown up your hamburger. While you got that going on, grab yourself 3 or 4 decent sized carrots, chop those up. Same deal here, a couple celery ribs, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Press those up, dice those up. Once you get your hamburger drained off, toss them in a pot, like a soup kind of pot, and then throw in your carrots, onions, and garlic in there. Let's toss those in there. And then I'm going to throw in about a cup of peas, frozen peas. Toss some of those in there. Grab yourself some beef broth, some low sodium beef broth. And you probably want about a cup. So what you basically want to do is you want to cover up what you got going on there. Cover that all up. Bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And then just grab yourself a cover and cover it up there and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, boom, that's been simmering for 15 minutes-ish. So what you're going to want to do is grab a strainer, right, and put a little cover underneath, and then just drain out your meat and vegetables. And yeah, we're going to need that beef broth there, so we're not going to throw that out. And then just take your meat and your vegetables and whatnot, pop them in a separate container there, and just pop those off to the side for a bit. Now, grab your onions and throw them in a saucepan. Grab yourself, good chunk of butter here. So you got yourself, probably about, might not need that much butter, guys. Anyhow, throw in yourself a good, probably about, maybe a 1/4 cup of butter here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to saute them up here, get them all nice and translucent. If you had some mushrooms, man, mushrooms would be a good little touch to throw in with this as well. But, yeah, guess what? I don't have no mushrooms right now. So we're going to melt in that butter and, get it's all nice and whatnot here. Probably about 5 minutes like this. Okay, you can turn this down just a little bit above low. Stir in your butter. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Let that go for about 5 minutes. Now, what you're going to want is about 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Slowly stir that in. Get yourself about 1.5 cups of the beef broth. That's why we didn't throw it out. And just slowly stir that in while mixing it. And throw in about, slowly stir in about a half a cup of milk. Keep slowly stirring it. Okay, and then you're gonna throw in about, a bit of salt, not too crazy, about a half teaspoon. Throw in a little bit of black pepper, about the same. Okay, now I'm also gonna throw in about the same with some thyme. And just to mix it up here, guys, you know what? We're gonna throw in just a little bit of allspice. And keep stirring that until it thickens up. Like gravy. Okay, boom. Well, we got that going on here. I'm doing up some mashed potatoes here, guys. And if you had a couple pie crusts, that would be handy too. But you know what? I just got one, so grab yourself a pie crust too, or two. Boom, grab your pie crust here. Well, we got that going on here, and then take your hamburger and your meat and all your veggies and whatnot, and boom, just put those in the pie crust. Keep stirring your gravy. You might want to turn it up just a little bit. Got a little bit above low. Keep stirring it until it gets nice and thick. And like I was saying with your hamburger mixture and whatnot that you're putting in your meat pie, just you kind of pat it down. Make sure that it's all like kind of nice and down, so you don't really like kind of have a lot of air pockets. Kinda, you'll see what I'm talking about. Just kind of keep flattening it out a little bit. Okay, boom. Put your meat pie there on a baking sheet. Good little tip for you guys, right? Get your gravy all nice and thickened up, and then just take your gravy mixture here that you got. Once it's all nice and thickened up to your liking, and boom, pour that over the top. Okay, boom. Get your mashed potatoes done here. Okay, right on. Grab yourself a masher here. Okay, and guys, you get lucky today here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do some mashed potatoes. Okay, there's a zillion different ways to do mashed potatoes, but here's how I'm going to do them. I'm going to throw in, I don't know, about 3 or 4, maybe three tablespoons of butter on top of my potatoes there. Okay. I grab some Miracle Whip. Toss some of that in there. You know, sour cream works awesome too, but Miracle Whip's awesome, guys. Shh, don't tell anybody, it's a secret. Okay? Toss some of that in there. And then I'm going to throw in, about maybe a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, right? Some people like using milk on theirs too, but I don't, man. So yeah, and then just gonna mash these up. Okay, boom. Now, once you got your potatoes mashed up, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put them over the top. And then be careful on this one here. You just kind of try and brush out your mashed potatoes. Just cover it all up. Pat it down a little bit more. Okay, grab yourself a little butter knife or whatever here. Okay, a little tip for you guys. And then just cut 4 slits in. Just to kind of let any steam kind of get out. Just kind of cut that. Okay, and then preheat your oven to 425. A little Parmesan. Boom! Pop that baby in there. Oh yeah. Boom, there you guys go. Look at it. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh yeah. So that was in for 425, 35 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 420 here. Boom, look at it. Would you look at it? Look at it. It looks like a pizza. Okay. Boom. Ba-boom. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at it? Okay, guys. Okay. It's actually been, oh, Jesus. Probably 5 minutes or so. And you know what? We're going to cut up this pie. We're going to try some. There you go. Guys, look at that. Meat pot pie. Look at it. Look at it. Alright, guys. Let's give her a try here. This is a moment of truth. Meat pot pie. Mmm. It's hot. It's steamy. Look at it. Man, it's pretty damn good. And you know, with that gravy mixed in, it's the way to do it, guys. Let's try some of the pastry. That cheese on top, man, it's awesome, man. It's really good. So, yeah. Well, there you go, man. Chicken pot pie. Well, not chicken pot pie. Based on chicken pot pie. So I did it. Meat pot pie, man. Really good, guys. Really good. Alright, well, thanks for dropping back for another edition of Tank Top Cooking. You know what? There's one try 3-4 times a week. I drop a bid, man. So if you like what you see, consider, stopping and giving me a big thumbs up here. And yeah, man, you guys keep calm. Be cool. Till next time.